this in the next slide, one noun I use as the name of a person, and one noun I use as a different thing, is a thing, not a person. So what's here now? If I said what's the position of the what's the function here for the Z, so I hope you will give me the answer that is a subject here. And what's the role here for the book? So book is act here as a object, because Zaid read a book. It means the Zaid is a doer. He's doing something on his, what act he's done, he done on the book. Okay, so book act here as a object. If I change this is the correct sentence. Okay, but if I change the position, the words ordering now in this English sentence, a book read Zaid, does it make sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. So, but in fact, it doesn't give you any meaning. It's totally wrong. So if I say what's the role here for the book, it means it's a subject because it came in the beginning of the sentence, and Zad is in the end, it act here as an object. So it doesn't make any sense. How can the book read to Zad? Okay, so it is wrong sentence. It doesn't make any sense. Next word, next sentence, I change the position again. Now the verb came in the beginning, then Z, and then book. Read Z a book. Does it make sense? No, it doesn't make any sense. So it is wrong too, because I changed the positions of the words. The words ordering is very irregular, is very different. It doesn't give you any meaning. But let's start Arabic now. And now we will change something. Qara'a Zaidun kitaban. It is the same meaning. Okay, Zaid read a book. Qara'a, right? And Zaidun. This Aerab position, what's the Aerab here for the Zaid? It is marfu. This marfu condition tell us that it is act here as a subject. Zaid is a subject here. Zaid is who is a doer, who is reading a book. And book act here as an object because it is mansub, because it is in nasab state. Now, what is the next sentence now? This is correct because it's totally fine now. Now I wrote one more sentence in Arabic. I changed the position. In the last slide, I didn't change the position. Remember, I said Daraba Hamidun Zaidan and then Daraba Hamidan Zaidun. I didn't change the position of the Hamid and Zaid. Hamid and Zaid was on the same position, but I changed the haraka on top of it. Okay. Now in this slide, I changed the positions now because I want to explain you in different way now. Okay. So I change the position. Look, Zaid is in the first sentence, Zaid is in the middle, and in the second sentence, Zaid is in the end now. Okay, and the kitaban in the first sentence, kitaban was the last word of the sentence, and here in the second sentence, kitaban is in the middle now, and kara is a verb, is a fail, so it is in the beginning. Okay, so does it change the meaning? Does it? We will see inshallah ta'ala. So what we have to do? We have to check the haraka. We will not check the position of the words in the Arabic. We have to check the haraka of the last letter of the word. So Zaid is a word, and what's the last letter of the word? The last letter has the dhamma on top of it, so it means it is marfu, and marfu means it act here as a subject. And kitaban, it is mansub, so it means it act here as an object. So it is still same, it is still give us the same meaning that Zaid read a book. It doesn't change the meaning, it doesn't change anything. Okay, still gives the same meaning as the first sentence, as the second sentence. They both are giving the same meaning. Still, even though I change the position of the words. Okay, even look in the English, I changed the position. It didn't give you any it doesn't make sense in the second sentence. Okay, now the third sentence, look at the third sentence. I change the position now again. Now the verb, the fi'l is in the middle of the sentence, and Zaidun is in the beginning of the sentence, and kitaban come in the last as a last word. Here kitaban was in the last word, and here in the middle, and here again in the last. I change the position. Okay, thoroughly I change the position of all the words. Does it give the same meaning or not, or does it give them very strange meaning? Let's see. So what we have to do, we have to check the haraka of the last letter. Zaidun is marfu, so it means it still will it is marfu because it is the ending the case ending of the zaidun is marfu, so it means it will act here as a subject. It will not change if it is finished on the dhamma. If the noun is marfu, so it means it act here as a subject. That's it. Simple. We have to check the haraka of the last letter. If it is marfu, if it will act here as a subject, doesn't matter what's the position of the noun. It can be in the beginning of the sentence, it can be in the middle of the sentence, it can be in the end of the sentence. The words ordering doesn't make any difference in the Arabic. The only the haraka which we have to notice. It will give us the clue. It will give us the knowledge that what is the role here for the word. And qara'a is a verb, and next is kitaban. Because it is mansub, so it means it act here as a object. So it is correct too. The these three sentences are correct, and all these three sentences giving the same meaning. Zaid read a book. Meaning is totally same. Even I change the position of the words with same haraka. Okay, if I change the position, if I change the haraka, then of course the meanings will gonna change. Then the meaning gonna change. Okay, if I change the haraka of the words. So this is the beauty of the Arabic. I hope you enjoyed this slide. So this is I was trying to explain you why these haraka are so important. These i'rab are very important. Now do